Hey everyone, how are you doing? Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to talk about my career as a translator, but I'm going to invite you to participate on this current edition of Locjam. And if you don't know what Locjam is about, keep watching. So basically, Locjam is a contest for game translators from all around the world. Actually, it's going to be my first time ever participating in a translation contest, but I think it's going to be a great opportunity to do some networking and while to have fun playing a game and translating it to my own language. So on the screen, it's probably appearing in one of the past editions of Locjam. It was a RPG based contest. So it was originally you had to translate from English into your language, and then it's going to appear one of my favorite versions of that game. It's basically it's a Chinese version of the same game, and although it looks like a completely new game, they went really beyond only translating here. They also did character designing and a lot of other stuff that I have no idea if I'll be able to make it. And if you're into that stuff, you're probably going to enjoy it. And I'm going to leave some links about Locjam that can explain a little bit better than I do. I think I'll try to keep you updated and record the process of translating that game. Also, if you've never translated games before anyone to experience how it is like, I think it's going to be a great opportunity because this year's edition it's going to be a point and click game, and point and clicks game they are really like any PC can handle a point and click game. So and it's also going to be quick, I'd say. uh, the game is around 4,800 words. So yeah, I'll be participating as a team. You can either participate as a single member or with more people, whatever is best for you. I'll be participating as a team because we still have to work while doing that. So yeah, I'm here inviting you to participate in this lock jam as well. And yeah, let's see how it all turns out. I'll see you there.